Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to blur background in Zoom. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, to blur background on your Zoom app, you open your Zoom app. So when you open your Zoom app, here you see this option, the setting option. Click on it. So when you go in the setting option, here you get the option background and effect. Click on it. So when you click on background and effect, you see the many background here. Like if I want to blur my background, so I select this and then simply I close it. And when I do that, here I see the option of new meeting. Click on new meeting. So guys, here as you see that my background has been blurred. So I can also blur my background during my meeting by this step. So here you see this option, stop video, and you see this arrow, click on it. So when you do that, here you see this option, choose virtual background, click on it. And when you click on it, here you see the option of background. And by here you select your background blur and then close it. So when you do that, your background in this video has been blurred. So guys, by following all these steps, you can easily blur your background during your meeting in Zoom app. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Topic Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.